In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit experience in LinkedIn. If you want to keep your LinkedIn profile current and professional, updating your experience section is one of the most important things you can do. This is the part of your profile where people can quickly understand your work history, your responsibilities, and the value you bring. The good news is that making changes is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to go. To get started, sign into LinkedIn and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me menu there. Click on Me and then select View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where all of your information is displayed the way other people may see it. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you find the Experience section. This area contains your current and past roles, so it's the place you'll want to update whenever you change jobs, want to improve a job description, or remove older positions that are no longer relevant. At the top right of the Experience section, you'll see a pen icon. Click that pen icon to enter editing mode. This opens the section where you can manage the experience entries listed on your profile. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you're in the main experience section and not another part of the profile like education or skills. Now you can make the changes you need. You can add more information to an existing role, edit an existing experience entry, or remove one if it no longer fits your profile. Take your time here and make sure your job titles, company names, dates, and descriptions are accurate. It also helps to keep your wording clear and professional so your profile is easy to read for recruiters, employers, or connections. If you're updating descriptions, try to focus on what you accomplished rather than listing every small task. Short, specific descriptions often make a stronger impression than long, vague ones. And before you finish, give everything a quick review to check for spelling mistakes or outdated details. Once your edits are done, your experience section will be updated and your profile will better reflect your background. That's all there is to it. As you can see, editing experience in LinkedIn is quick and straightforward once you know where to click.